was goofy as I don't get it. Y'all know normally I don't do things on my tablet. I use my tablet solely for editing. However, we're gonna go ahead and do this intro video for this week. It is September. It is December 28th, and then until January 4th, which was the day I was due, and heavenly birthday is gonna be my Uncle Thomas's birthday. It's the 3rd or 4th. I think it's the 3rd. It's the 3rd. Anywho, we're doing, y'all know, this is the last week, and we are doing lost videos or videos I haven't edited because, yeah, life be lifing and brain be braining and all the things, and you know, it's just those things. So we're gonna talk real quick about it on the tablet, and then I'm gonna edit this, put this out for Sunday, and then yeah, we're gonna get started with these other videos. So real quick, if you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe to DAT Family 5. I am in my living room with the lights off. Why, you must ask? Because yeah, that's better for me. I am using the light from my camera on my phone, the light from my phone to illuminate. I like to sit in the dark when I edit. Anywho, thank y'all for being here. Thank y'all for staying as long as y'all have stayed. Thank y'all for still showing up to watch these videos and be a part of the family. Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm so excited. This year coming up, we got no changes really. Consistency on all fronts. That's with YouTube, work, health, wealth, relationships that I want to continue having. Yeah, wearing my Stitch shirt as always. I need to buy me a new one because this one started to get a little faded. But focus, Toya. So yeah, I got like 8 minutes. So we got 6 minutes left. So I just want to tell y'all thank you for still being here, for grinding with me. It's been a journey. It's still a journey. Life is journey. Because life is a highway. I don't know if I want to ride it. No, I do want to ride it all night long. Okay. Anyways, we are working on some things. Me, the husband, is going to work and perfect. And as we work and perfect, we're going to start editing, recording and editing, along with regular cleaning and all those things. We're going to get back to the decluttering, and we're going to get to these doom piles. If you know an ADHD person, they have doom piles in their house. And doom piles, they just come out of nowhere. My closet is a doom pile. Y'all know that. Y'all put closet videos right here. Okay, my closet is a doom pile. I would like to see if I can get some friends to help me fix my playlist a little bit. Other than that, yeah, that's what we're doing here. There's gonna be no changes to the name. The name's gonna be the same. Why change something that's good? No, we're gonna still be a DAT family of 5. Because guess what? We still got 5 people in this family. The girl's significant others has been saying, well, it's gonna have to be DAT Family 6, and then DAT Family 7, and then DAT Family 8. I'm like, what? No, it's the 5. It's the 5. It's me, Douglas, me, Rayne, Mamie, and Ezekia. It's that. That's what's gonna be. Y'all can make y'all own channel. What? But I love them. Let's see. So we will get to, when y'all see the video for Christmas cleanup, that's how you know we are at new videos that I just filmed to edit. Everything else is going to be before Christmas. Sometime during the summer, sometime during the fall. Yeah, that's what we're about to do, because I need to empty out these memory cards. I have so many of them. They need to get emptied out. Yeah, like I said, I've been filming. I've been drinking. I just haven't had the gumption, that's what I call it, to edit. But it's not gumption no more. It's, you're gonna do it because you want to be prosperous. You have to make the change. You have to challenge yourself to make the change because you want this to work out. You as in me, I'm talking to myself. So because I want this to work out, I want this to be a memory-filled videos for my daughters, and the husband, just in case, and me, just in case, God forbid, something happens. We got it. Yes. With everything, I'm not trying to go back there, but we're going to go back there for a minute. With everything that has happened with Mom, I am so glad that I filmed and edited some of our stuff together. When I feel like I need to see her face or hear her voice is in the video. I don't have to listen to any of her. She has voicemails, or I have voicemails with her voice on them. Those actually they send me, gone. But the videos, it's kind of like, okay, all right, I'm actually able to watch them now. At first, I had tried to watch them the day of the funeral. Yeah, no. Don't do that to yourself if that happens. Don't do that. Don't do that. There are so many things that is on my to-do list to get started. And it's not my to-do list, it's a God to-do list. And we're going to do what God says. That's what we're doing this year. And God tells me to continue doing this, and I'm going to continue doing this. God has told me, you are getting to be here. It may not be the number that most people would like and would want, but those people are for you. I said, yes, Lord. Okay? I've already received my assignment from my mom. It's time for me to do it. We're going to do it. So we are we doing these things because I am smart, I is kind, and I is beautiful. And I am able to use my creative ancestry. Being creative came from my ancestors. My great grandmother, I have a shirt. I'm gonna have to. Y'all normally see me wear her. I look just like her. That's my great grandmama, Cecilia. My mama's grandmama, my nana mama. Y'all seen the pictures? I put some in here. A picture here. She back then, 18s, they bought land for $400, 20 acres, with a handshake, because they were saying they were slaves and they became free, and they bought their own land. And with that land, they had my grandmother, great grandmother, made teas. They did all the things. Y'all seen the videos. They did everything. Well, actually, I didn't show y'all the full video. That thing was long. I'm gonna have Tyler, hopefully, once we get just a little bigger, I'm gonna have Tyler come on here. Tyler is he's part of the Middlesex County in Virginia, historian type area, and he's been working with the Greshams, the Kings, and yeah, that's me. I'm from that route. I'm from there. So yes, but anyways, so that creative. What I'm saying is that creative is in my blood. I need to get past. I am past these feelings. I am frustrated. My birthday is in 4 days. 3 days. Today's Sunday. 3 days. My birthday is in 3 days. Okay. And so with those 3 days, we're going to edit, press, release, put out videos. And then we're going to do what the Lord say. When it comes to work, when it comes to home, when it comes to husband, kids, everything. Whatever the Lord say, we're going to do. Now. Because I know my auntie and my godmama and my godmothers and my godfathers are probably fussing. They're like, well, you need to go to church. However, we have not got there yet. I went. I did the things. Doug is saying we need to go. He is head of household. And so we will be going. I'm just waiting for him to be like, let's go. Okay? Experiment 626. Once he said let's go, then we'll go. Once we have visited 2 to 3 churches, so we're figured out. We'll figure it out. Yeah. We're doing well over here, though. And I thank y'all so much for being here through all the inconsistencies. And I'm not going to apologize. I'm just going to say thank you for being here. Thank you for continuing watching. Thank you for, to my besties, my YouTube besties, Bethany and Jesse, checking on me. Just because sometimes you need people from different parts of your life to check on you and you not be the strong one, right? I am trying not to be the one that always reach out and touch. So I need people to reach out and touch me because I've always been the one to reach out. And it's a good thing, but then after a while it becomes tiresome, right? Because it's kind of like, well, do you actually want to spend time with me or do you not want to spend time with me? Do you actually want to hear me talk? Do you not want to hear me talk? Am I bothering you? Are you like, because you feel like you're nagging, right? I don't like a nag. I'm not a nag. I don't like nagging. I don't like that, right? We got 12 minutes. And so because I don't like that, I don't do it. Even my kids would be like, Mom, we just want you to come give us hugs. I'm like, if you don't want to be bothered, why am I bother you? If you happy and content the way you are, why am I bother you? But Mom, we want to spend time with you. Okay, let me know you want to spend time with me. I'll spend time with you. But I'm not going to sit here because y'all old enough to let me know, well, Mom, let's go do something. Okay, let's go. Because if I ask you, let's go do something, you say no. Okay. Y'all are old enough. Jesus was 12. Y'all old enough. I'm not going to sit here. You know what I mean? I'm at that point in my life where I'm going to be God focused and do the things I need to do to keep my marriage, keep my family, keep the money coming in. And everything else is going to be a plus. If it doesn't serve me, it's not going to stay. Period, point blank. Yes. Okay, anyways, I don't know how I got down that rabbit hole, but I just want to tell y'all thank you again for being here through all this inconsistency. It's going to be more consistent. I have a plan in place for all the things to be more into things. I do have a Facebook, but it's not DAT Family 5 Facebook. That one, I don't know any passwords to that. I'm going to take that off. If I can. I'm going to get to Facebook, get them to take that off. And it's just going to be Atoya Thomas. Okay? That's my Facebook. If you say you are a internet, we're going to call y'all cousins because that's my favorite internet cousin, internet bestie. Hey, I watch you on YouTube, blah, blah, blah. And let me know what you watch. We may become friends. If not, just follow me on Instagram, my DAT Family 5. Y'all already know. All right? I love you guys so much. Y'all be blessed. And that's always. For we are the family that love life and having fun to give you all the motivation and the inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. Remember that time is precious. And we thank you for spending your precious time with us. We will see you on the next one. That'll be tomorrow. Toya, tomorrow. We'll see you on the next one. And y'all be blessed. Bye. Mwah.
Just pulled up to the house.